Gosh, we have a camera. The quality is about to be epic. Look at it. Y'all can see yourself. Look at this. So this is the Canon G7X.
Mama, stop playing making beats again.
It's your girl Stammy, and we back with another video in the house. Period. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Samantha, and subscribe to be a part of the Stammy's gang because we're the best. Period. But today's video we have an unboxing, and this morning something came in the mail, and I was rushing to go get it because the quality is about to be A1. Okay. So that's a hint. What you guys think I got? What you guys think? I mean, it's gonna be in the title, but you know, whatever. So here's the box, y'all. I'm so excited to open it. I'm so excited. You know me, and I'm ghetto, so I use whatever I see because I don't feel like getting scissors. Y'all, I really missed the package twice on Friday, and I'm mad. And it's Monday, and I missed it twice on Friday. Like, how? And I was in the house, like. So if I didn't get it today, then they would have sent it back. So, like, I'm so mad. So I got my sister a phone case, so I'm gonna give that to her. Here you go. Here you go. Ultra protection. I didn't get, but the moment we've all been waiting for. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the camera case, and we're gonna open that last. So, y'all excited? Like, you know how long I've been wanting a camera, and I finally got it. Like, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Y'all like my nails though? Like, it's a cross on the pinkies. Okay. Y'all, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Like, subscribe. Okay? Yeah. So I got a bundle one. So we're gonna open the stuff that's on top first. So I have a 64 gigabyte. What is this called? It's a card memory. SD card. The camera card, you guys know what I'm talking about. 64 gigabytes. Hopefully that's enough. It comes with a starter kit. So I guess these are the stuff that's inside the starter kit. So there's some cotton swabs thing. This little tripod. So guys, we're gonna open this up. Make sure you close it. Okay guys. So we have some cotton swabs. We have, I think this is the thing to put around the camera, like the thing to hold on your wrist. Look at this smallest little tripod. Like, can go on the table, I guess. So how you do this? And then you put this up. Adorable. Is that all the stuff that was in there? Oh yeah, this. I don't know what this is. I guess this is a case for your SD cards. So yeah. And then we have a little wipey thing to wipe the camera. And then guys, we have the screen protector for the camera. And then we have some measuring thing, whatever it's called. And then we have a tripod. All of this came in the bundle. I'll put the bundle that I got in the description. So make sure you guys, if you guys want it, sure you get it. Yeah, this is adorable. It's red. If only they had pink, but I'm gonna be like, hey, I'm excited. Oh, Oh, this is so cute. We have a little bag for the camera. This is so adorable. Look how small it is. Like, so perfect. Okay, the moment we all been waiting for. Stop falling. Like, look at this. So, like, y'all, I got a camera. Like, how do you even open this? Yo, I'm type slow, if you guys didn't know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so here's the 1-year warranty if you want it. You have to register, scan the code, blah, 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 blah. And then, I guess we have another thing for to put around to hold your camera in your hand. And then, you have the charger, I think. It's probably for the battery. And then, let's not get that one yet. So then we have the charger and the battery. Let's open this up. Canon full charged. And then here's the little batteries to put in it. Little battery to put in here. And then here's the charger for that. Okay. The moment we all been waiting for. The moment we all been waiting for. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at this. Y'all. Gosh, we have a camera. The quality's about to be epic. Look at it. Y'all can see yourself. Look at this. So this is the Canon G7X Mark II. Ooh. Up to see yourself, you know, when you're filming. Oh yeah, you can put it up more if you want. Put it this way. Put it up. Let's turn this on. I don't know how to work a camera, y'all. So like, let's bear with me. It says on, so we're gonna press this on button. Yeah, I'm excited. Probably not. Let's yeah. I think we have to put the battery in it. I mean, of course, obviously. So, the battery goes in here. Yeah, I don't know where the battery goes. Okay, the battery goes in here, open. And then put the battery like this. Okay. I have scissors. Let me drop my stuff. Okay. SIM card in there. Yeah, I'm new to this thing, so I don't really know. Okay, now we got it. Because I'm like, what the heck? Okay. Put this in there. Close. Okay, we closed it. Now let's turn it on. Ooh. Okay. It says menu, date, time. We're gonna set this up. Hey guys, so I'm recording on the camera so you guys can see the quality. Ooh, quality is A1. Okay. So yeah, I'm loving this. I look so good. It's so weird because I'm looking up, you know. But yeah, so y'all, I just recorded some things from the camera. I set it up and everything. It's so adorable. Now we're gonna put the case on it. Y'all, it's getting dark. I know. And I put the brightness up a little bit. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna put this case on it. Y'all, the camera's so good. I had to set it up. It took a while, honestly. Okay. This case is pink, of course. Take that out. So I'm gonna put this in there. I gotta see what I'm doing. Cause yeah. Okay, so this one. Put it through here. Oh, this is so cute. Canon. Y'all see how I match my nails? Perm. G7X perm. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I really got this. This part is for the tripod. Let's see. I'll twist this on here. You gotta twist it because you gotta make sure it's on it. Yeah, I'm really gonna be recording. You turn it on, press this. Her. Y'all, I can see y'all. I gotta focus. Her. Okay. Y'all, I'm so excited. I got a camera. Like, what did I thought? The video's gonna be popping. We're gonna be popping. We're gonna be lit. So let's turn this off so I can end the video. Okay, so y'all, if you guys enjoyed this video like I did, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Bye.